എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. നമ്മളിന്ന് കാറ്റഗറി 3യുടെ അഡോളസൻറ്റ് സൈക്കോളജി തിയറീസ് ഓഫ് ലേണിംഗ് ആൻഡ് ടീച്ചിങ് ആപ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് എന്ന ഭാഗത്തെ 40 ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് കാണുന്നത്. 2020 ഫെബ്രുവരിയിൽ നടന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെയാണ് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. എല്ലാവരും പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ടും കാണുക. നിങ്ങൾ സ്വയം ഒന്ന് വിലയിരുത്തുക. എക്സാമിന് മുമ്പ് പോകുമ്പോൾ എത്രമാത്രം ഞാൻ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, ആൻസേഴ്സ് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ എന്ന് നോക്കുക. എത്ര സ്കോർ ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Question 1. The psychoanalytic experts explain a phenomenon as an attempt to integrate values learned from parents and society. How do you name it? Options A. Ego, B. Sublimation, C. Id, D. Superego. Answer option D. Superego. 2. Which of the following is not a stage of moral development proposed by Kohlberg? Options A. Pre-conventional stage, B. Conventional stage, C. Formal operational stage, D. Post-conventional stage. Answer C. Formal operational stage. 3. John, a 9th standard student, has a complaint on the scores that he scored in a subject. He argues that he deserves better score and only because of the teacher's personal reasons he lost it. Suppose you are the teacher, how do you tackle this issue? Options A. Make it clear from the beginning exactly what you expect in papers or test. B. Argue him on the teacher's ethics and try to make him believe your integrity. C. Tell him to hand over the complaint to higher authority. D. Give more scores after revaluing the answer. Answer option A. Make it clear from the beginning exactly what you expect in purpose or test. Fourth one. Level of aspiration refers to A. Where and how far individuals set goals for emancipation. B. Where and how far individual determines their destiny. C. Where and how far individuals set their targets for achievement. D. Where and how far individuals set goals for attain learning outcomes. Answer option C. Where and how far individuals set their targets of achievement. Fifth, an Indian model of education proclaims that knowledge and work are not separate as its basic principle. Which is the model? A. Naitalim, B. Nalanda, C. Vishwabharati, D. Takshashila. Answer option A. Naitalim. 6. The ego defense mechanism is options A. Part of the ego state that prevents emotional thinking. B. Part of the unconscious that attempts to control unacceptable it influences. C. Part of the reflections to reduce psychological barriers. D. Part of the ego state from which it develops. Answer option B. Part of the unconscious that attempts to control unacceptable it influences. 7. Which method of teaching among the following does assure maximum involvement of the learner? A. Lecture, B. Brainstorming, C. Group discussion, D. Project. Answer option D. Project. 8. 5E in constructivist classroom implications denotes A. Engage, explain, explore, ensure and evaluate. B. Evaluate, engrave, explore, explain and explore. C. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate and evaluate. D. Engrave, explain, explore, ensure and evaluate. Answer option C. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate and evaluate. 9. According to the cognitive development theorists, the child can understand the basic principles of casual thinking and scientific experimentation in a period of A. Infancy, B. Early adolescence, C. concrete operations, D. Later adolescence. Answer option B. Early adolescence. 10. Effective way of communication in classroom teaching is A. Circular, B. Linear, C. Branch, D. Reciprocal. Answer option D. Reciprocal. 11. Rewards and punishment is considered to be A. Extrinsic motivation, B. Intrinsic motivation, C. Extra motivation, D. Intelligent motivation. Answer option A. Extrinsic motivation. 12. The term critical pedagogy is coined by A. Henry Giroux, B. Michael Apple, C. Ira Shore, D. John Dewey. Answer option A. Henry Giroux. 13. Which is the pedagogical movement that values experience over learning facts at the expense of understanding what is being taught? Transnational education, B. Creative creatures, C. Creative commons, D. Progressive education. Answer option D. Progressive education. 14. Home-based education is recommended for those children who are A. Bedridden, B. Imprisoned, C. Bored, D. Abused. Answer option A. Bedridden. 15. The existing national curriculum framework is formulated in the year options 2007, B. 2005, C. 2009, D. 2016. Answer option B. 2005. 16. When a stimulus similar to the conditional stimulus also elicits a response is the theory developed by A. Aristotle, B. Ivan Pavlov, C. Plato, D. Ivan Illich. Answer option B. Ivan Pavlov. 17. Constructivism is one of the contributions of A. Piaget, B. John Dewey, Paulo Freire, D. Vygotsky. Answer option A. Piaget. 18. Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016 assures opportunity for A. Special education, B. Inclusive education, C. Special education zone, D. Special skill education. Answer option B. Inclusive education. 19. Learning through mother tongue will help a learner to options A. Attain learning strategies, B. Attain educational goals, C. Comprehend others' voices, D. Comprehend content easily. Answer D. Comprehend content easily. 20. I don't care. Attitude of a learner reflects A. Sublimation, B. Aggression, C. Denial, D. Regress. Answer option C. Denial. 21. School readiness skills are developed and most free time is spent playing with friends are major characteristics of A. Infancy, B. Early childhood, C. Early adulthood, D. Late childhood. Answer option B. Early childhood. 22. Computer assisted instructional strategies are footing on A. Classical conditioning, B. Operant conditioning, C. Situational conditioning, D. Techno-friendly conditioning. Answer B. Operant conditioning. 23. Learners' prior knowledge assessment will help a teacher to choose A. Need-based teaching learning strategies, B. Right-based gatherings, C. Plan for group assignments, D. Guidelines for reference. Answer option A. Need-based teaching learning strategies. 24. Which is the digital learning material repository suitable for your classroom? A. Samagra, B. Sampurna, C. Samanvaya, D. Swayam. Answer option A. Samagra. 25. One of the major barriers for successful inclusive education is A. Teachers' attitude, B. Lack of students' readiness, C. Lack of parents' readiness to send children to school, D. Inappropriate classroom environment. Answer option A. Teachers' attitude. 26. The best way to nourish critical thinking in a classroom environment is A. Behaviorism, B. Critical pedagogy, C. Macno pedagogy, D. Self-sustaining. Answer option B. Critical pedagogy. 27. Key objective of continuous and comprehensive evaluation is A. Prepare progress report, B. Identify students' weakness, C. Scaffold students for further improvement, D. Motivate to write more and more examinations. Answer option C. Scaffold students for further improvement. 28. Why does a teacher use learning aids? A. Make the classroom colorful, B. Optimize attainment level of learning outcomes, C. Avoid transmission loss, D. Encourage the teacher by eliminating stage fright. Answer option B. Optimize attainment level of learning outcomes. 29. Diagnostic evaluation strategies are used to assess A. Learning progress and failures during the teaching learning process, B. Levels of achievement at the end of the class, C. Performance level at the beginning of the class, D. Causes and remedies of persistent learning problems during the course of a class. Answer option D. Causes and remedies of persistent learning problems during the course of a class. 30. Education is a property of dash list of Indian Constitution. A. Central, B. State, C. Concurrent, D. Scheduled. Option C. Concurrent. 31. Curriculum should foster the development of problem-solving skills through the process of inquiry and discovery. Who is behind this advocacy? A. Jerome Bruner, B. Jean Piaget, C. Sigmund Freud, D. D. Kurt Lewin. Answer option A. Jerome Bruner. 32. Which of the following is not a projective test? A. Differential aptitude test, B. Rorschach's inkblot test, C. Thematic apperception test, D. Sentence completion test. Answer option A. Differential aptitude test. 33. The existing Kerala curriculum framework is formulated in the year 2007, 2005, 2009, 2016. Answer option A. 2007. 34. The agency entitled to look after educational technology in Kerala. Option A. SEIT, B. SCERT, C. SIET, D. SIEMAT. Answer option C. SIET. 35. Olena dominates in brainstorm sessions. Most probably you feel certain interruptions as an intolerable nuisance. How do you deal with the situation? A. Take it easy and don't mind her comments or queries. B. Ask other students to comment on her ideas and to propose alternative perspective. C. Firmly ascertain her to keep silence. D. Make a personal request to don't disturb. Answer option B. Ask other students to comment on her ideas and to propose alternative perspective. 36. Which is the Kerala's 24/7 official educational channel? A. Victors, B. Vigyan Bharati, C. Gyan Darshan, D. Edu Victors. Answer option A. Victors. 37. Individual education and care plan designed for differently abled children will help to A. Motivate children to actively participate in sports activities. B. Motivate children to actively participate in artistic activities. C. Scaffold children to attain highest score. D. Scaffold children to attain daily living skills. Answer option D. Scaffold children to attain daily living skills. 38. Chairman of Podu Vidyabhyasa Samrakshan Yajnam is A. General Education Minister. B. Higher Education Minister. C. Chief Minister. D. Finance Minister. Answer option C. Chief Minister. 39. Chairman of Drafting Committee of National Education Policy 2019. A. Kasturirangan. B. Ramachandran. C. Vasudha Kamath. D. Manjul Bhargava. Answer option A. Kasturirangan. 40. Piaget's development theory highlights that the children can reason about hypothetical entities in the A. Pre-operational stage. B. Sensory motor stage. C. Formal operational stage. D. Concrete operational stage. Answer option C. Formal operational stage. ഈ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ചെയ്തപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും നിങ്ങൾ എത്രമാത്രം പഠിച്ചു എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി കാണും. നല്ല രീതിയിൽ എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക.